I've actually some big news, but let's make a separate news video about that. But guys, keep pushing me, keep asking questions. The question that came up was, Eric, you've made the video how to create an ArcoLinux XS on YouTube. Yeah, that's the one, but without the commercials. 3870, how to build an XS ISO with packages not on Arch and Arco repos. And I've explained to you how easy it is to tell, hey, Pacman, there's another repo there, chaotic AOR. Go grab that particular database and install whatever application people want, and like thousands of them on there. So the question then came, and that's the interesting what if, that's the news. We have 46 ISOs. The question was the ArcoLinux B Hyperland and ArcoLinux B Wayland. So somebody was focusing on Wayland, doesn't matter, any of the ISOs. The B ISOs are built differently. Can we add things from the chaotic AOR on the ArcoLinux B ISOs? That's the question. And I've changed the scripts. And now you can. So let's start again, second video, and go for the internet. If it's not broken, you go to the internet and you go to ArcoLinux B, right? The B stands for building. It has all, there's a reason for the existence and the separation of it. If you're ready to build, you go here. And in this case it's Hyperland, so control find Hyperland, right? Click. Only that particular GitHub is now changed, and Wayfire as well. But let me show you what we've done. And this opens up so many new perspectives. I can install anything from chaotic AOR on the ISO. So you build your own ISO, burn it to USB, that's it. You've got your own personalized ISO with a lot of packages, thousands and thousands of packages from chaotic AOR. In the installation scripts for to build the ISO again, it might be, yep, let's push the new code online, right? And then you see the advantage of a git clone, because afterwards I'm gonna do a git pull. So git pull is a very interesting thing. It gets the new code online. So keep this thing on your system, this Arco Hyperland, and then when I push something, what I'll do right now, you pull later. So you start by pulling and then do your thing again. So on the other hand here, well, I can show you nothing to hide at all. So the new code, Hyperland, is here, right? The new things I've added are here. They're not pushed yet, uncommitted changes. So if I push this to the internet, whoa, if I push this to the internet, the new code, the new possibility is online just for Hyperland. All the rest need to be done. So basically chaotic AOR. It's possible from now on to add any packages from chaotic AOR. Let's show that. So git pull, it's an awesome little trick. Boom, you've got it as well, an up-to-date system. So what did I change? These are all things that is copy-paste, and here is the new stuff. If you want to add packages from the chaotic AOR repo, then, okay, work. Change the variable to true and add the packages names. It's at this point in time to true because we're testing, right? So it will be false in the future. Then you change it. And if it's true, then we're gonna add, basically, we are going to add this one. And that's exactly what we need. We need to know where is, Pacman needs to know it, not us. Pacman needs to know where can I find it, the packages. So he's gonna add this to the pacman.conf, and that will solve all of it. So this set to true, and all the rest goes automatically. By way of testing, I've voila, I have changed some things. So desktop, if you download it now, of course, later on I'll get the typo out and the double then there. And at this point in time, in the packages at the bottom, and I think I'll leave it there so you know it's a possibility, there is Kanta icon theme kit. Right? So when everything is done, I'll just put it like this, and then you realize, hey, I can add Chaotix AOR to ArcoLinux ISOs. So for now, it's good as a test, because here I selected something, an icon theme, right? Something not too big. The other example video was Flutter and Android Studio, and we ended up with 4.5 gigabyte of an ISO, which is great if you want Android and if you want Flutter. It is your personal ISO. Nobody cares how big it is. So we have something to run. Basically, we told up here it's true, right? I want Chaotix AOR. That's true. So that's a new variable, and the new variable down there will say copy paste and add. Well, add, not copy paste. That's another option. I was thinking of that, but it's easier to just make a variable true, false, and then add it to pacman.conf, and that's better. So if we have a look, then we have two things to check for. Come on, long list. Two things to check for. One is this. If that line is not there, you forgot it, right? It's false, and it's not going to find the icon theme there. And the other one is this line. Check. So the ISO that's being built knows about the repo, and it knows about this particular package. Voila. In the meantime, the machine is already building halfway, and with Control Alt End on some of our desktops we can keep track of things, right? 100%, 90%, 16 threads, 8 cores, working very hard. Temperature is going up. That's still okay. It's an Intel. AMD would be 10 to 20 degrees more. If I hear other people speak about their temperatures, but this is okay. So super Q, bye. And let's pause the video some more. And then we see the end result. If you go to ArcoLinux B out, there is the hyperlink. And what we're going to look for is the text file, the packages list text. And now we know that it was successful. Kanta icon theme git is on the ISO. And voila, we can't install hyperlink stuff or Wayland stuff in, well, hyperlink, Wayfire and Sway are not a no-go for VirtualBox installation, though. This is a real metal thing. Alright, I'll push the same code up to Wayfire, and you can test it out. The user that asks for this possibility, can I add packages from Chaotix AOR to any of the ArcoLinux Bs? The XS was covered with the video, now you can do it also with the B. We'll adapt all the code to all the ISOs in this manner. Cheers!